over 150 people on board a Nigerian plane have been killed after it crashed into the residential area in the Nigerian city of Lagos. Officials have confirmed 153 people on board have been killed. It's uncertain how many people have been killed on the ground, as 3 houses caught fire, and it's uncertain as yet of what the actual cause was. For more on that, we spoke a short while ago to the Guardian Nigeria's special sub-editor Rotini Oyekanmi.
Yes, we just had news, and we have people all over the place trying to gather information. The aircraft left Abuja. It's a 1-hour flight to Lagos, and we suspect it needs about 10 more minutes to land, and crashed into a residential area in Lagos. We understand at this point that there were 163 passengers on board and there were no survivors. That's the preliminary information we have. And this, I think, is the first time Dana aircraft is crashing. It's one of the most loved airline companies in the country. I fly it often when I'm going to Abuja myself, and this is a serious tragedy.
Mr. Oyekanmi, any known initial reason as to why it crashed, and how many people on the ground could also have died?
Yes, the number of casualties on the ground is what we are still trying to get, and it could be more, it could be less, because it's a residential area, and the pictures we have on the internet shows that there are some residential buildings affected, so we don't know at this point how many people will have died. That's about it. I'm sure within the next hour we'll have more information.